I'm Gabriel. Today I'm going to review the Rat King from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Look at the back. See? This is the toys you can read here. The Rat King from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. See? Open it up. Okay, this is how it looks like. Here's the weapon. Let's start with the weapon. See, you can bend it. It comes with a rat. You can do this to the rat. And of course, you have to put the weapon in Rat King's hand so he can stand. He cannot stand without the weapon. You have to put it. It's a little hard because it's bendy. That I don't know what's that. You can take it off. You can do that. You can see some of a neck and some mouth. You can turn it around, and yeah, and then you can also turn this around and turn this around, and you can also do that, which is the same. Broken, and it has some broken clothes. You can do this. Yeah. Come on, kick you. Yeah. You can move the elbow and the knee there. It's good to play with splinters. So that's my review of the Rat King. Thanks for watching. Bye.